Hey, I just wanted to make this really quick video about how many different jobs that you can do with Jarvis AI. This can be like a full grown business, right? I totally agree. You can use Jarvis AI to make a content marketing machine or a content agency. These are some of the jobs that you can do, like a freelance writer. You can go on Upwork, Fiverr, people per hour, or wherever, right? Social media manager. You can kill it with social media management with Jarvis as well. Sales page copywriter, right? You can improve content. You can go over stuff. It's all plug and play. You know what I mean? Once you follow a script, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, product listing. There's a lot of bad information in this space, in the wealth space here for those. And a lot of people need help. Email marketing is another great thing. It's awfully underrated, but email marketing is definitely a big revenue stream. Blog writer, right? So if you want to do SEO and write blogs for yourself, make passive income, reoccurring income through blogging, that's great, as well as affiliate marketing. You can do tandem with this stuff. Affiliate marketing is great, especially on the high ticket stuff. And then you can also do Facebook ad copy, Amazon, Shopify. You can be a regular copywriter in general, start making VSLs and templates, Pinterest, Instagram manager. So Jarvis has all of these capabilities, which is crazy, especially with all the different templates they have. I've been killing it with Pinterest and Quora. This has been driving a lot of traffic for me. And I've been using the templates for Pinterest and Quora a lot. Let me know if you want a tutorial about Jarvis and Tailwind and how I'm driving traffic with them. I really don't mess with the Instagram template at all. Instagram has a horrible organic reach, so I try and stay away from that. You can be a Quora manager as well, start knocking out answers on Quora, SEO writer, content. So I put that again. You could also improve a lot of content as well for people, especially with that Surfer SEO integration. You can be an author. So Darby actually he's published multiple books and he's got the 7-day author challenge, but I noticed you can write a lot of kids' book as well. I'm actually in the process of writing my book. I'm like 10,000 words into it. Stupid Simple Business. This is the second draft. So I've got all this. And then, so I'm basically just following his outline on how to write a nonfiction book. But so it's definitely possible. So I'm like 12,000, I think I'm like 12,000 words in. I did that in, I don't know, it was like 3 or 4 hours, realistically. I just need to go back over it. So YouTube manager, right? So Jarvis has scripts. So legitimately, Jarvis has all of these templates, right? The script, hook, and introduction. This thing has been a game changer for me for YouTube videos. Video titles, script outline, video topics. The video titles are amazing as well. It really gives you that hook, right? You can legitimately do all of this. It's got Quora templates, SEO writer. You can integrate SEO Surfer with that and improve that. YouTube manager. You can do script writing, VSL script writer as well. So I'll give you some recipes for those as well, but real estate copywriter, Facebook ad copywriter. So I've been trying to talk in my buddy. He's a real estate guy, actually just got started, to help him run some ads. He's letting Remax run those for him, but he's not collecting emails. Like, what if you get fired, right? How are you going to contact those people? You know what I mean? Remax, or maybe it's not Remax. I don't know. It's one of those franchise realtors, but he's not collecting emails and contact those people after you move on, obviously. So local SEO, Google My Business. So a lot of people sleep on Google My Business for local SEO. I don't know why, but Jarvis has a bunch of different templates for Google My Business, and you got to take advantage of all you can. But they've got Google My Business product descriptions. They'll rewrite your product descriptions. They got offer posts. We got event posts, what's new posts, and then they even have headlines and Google ad descriptions. But so I found that with updating Google My Business frequently, I'm talking like maybe 2-3 times a week, if that, giving more love to it, you get a higher organic ranking. This definitely helped me hugely with my tree service. And what else we got? So bonus tip, right? So you can actually make templates or sell done for you, sell social media captions. So I could sell 1,001 Instagram caption, you know what I mean? As like a tripwire funnel. So something that's like an impulse buy that's like $7 or whatever. So I could start selling content briefs or outlines. So I could Jarvis with a Surfer SEO or phrase. So there's a lot of different avenues you can take this, and you can like legitimately turn Jarvis into content agent, and just legitimately it's helped me 10x my content and my blog. Oh my God. And then the Pinterest, dude, is killing me. So I'm getting a lot of traffic I'm using Jarvis, Pinterest, and Tailwind, and the Tailwind groups. It's definitely helped my blog traffic a lot. So I definitely recommend this. And there's so many different jobs you can bundle this into. If you got any more questions, do me a huge favor and leave comments down. Are you seeing how many different ways you can make money with Jarvis AI? This is super exciting. Oh, make sure you grab some of the recipes that I have in the description here. So I've got a bunch of different ones. I got everything from native ads to Perry Belcher. I got a bunch of power words. I got to do the VSL and landing page script over again, but I need to fine tune this and then it'll be